Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Honestly, I feel so sleepy because of my responsibility, my duty. I think I have to wait for my students in front of our English center. Well, I think our YouTube, wonderful. Yeah, the progress is great. There are a lot of people want to subscribe, like, comment, and share and watch the video. It's good, I think. But one thing I think is really hard I can do is to find is like a speaker to interview like that. Yeah, there are some friends they wanna, I can say, maybe they wanna be easy, or they wanna will come, I think, when we wanna interview them. But for some people, they're worried. Maybe because of privacy, maybe because of yeah, many things. I think the reason. But again, I think it's the challenge. I think as the YouTuber, as the YouTuber or English YouTuber, focus on English. Sometimes we want to interview for our content, and it must be the positive content. Um, Again, I think I can imagine a lot of universe outside there. They're really hard to think to find a speaker or to find an object. I think uh, to interview, right, for their content or their contents. But we'll never give up, I think, because we want to entertain everyone. We want to, I can say, maybe we want to inspire, right, a lot of people to love English, to level up their communication skills. And number one, I think, yeah, we want to see everyone is able to speak English like that. And we are very happy if they can speak English, right? They can read everything in English. Maybe when they want to listen to the music, especially it's like Western song, right? They will know, they will understand. Or maybe they want to read the, uh, I can say, maybe the news, right? The news here is I can say maybe international, right? Where it's written in English. So so many functions I think of, or the benefits of mastering English. Right now my student has come. Well, I'm very happy I can share with you guys, and we are trying, I think, to make YouTube. Uh, all right. Assalamualaikum. Okay. Live. All right. Okay. You can sit down. All right. My student has come. Well, everyone, thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our YouTube or my YouTube channel. Inshallah. Um, yeah, I will create, or I will make a good or the best videos, inshallah, because of God. Alright, I'm very happy I can share with you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.